today we're going to be making a smart waistband. So first of all, we're going to bring out our tools that we're going to use for this project. This is the plastic rubber that we're going to use as the waistband. Then this will be the connections of everything that we're going to use, which is made up of an ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor, and Arduino Uno is inside here. We package it like this so that it will be more presentable for people to see. Then a battery, well, this is a rechargeable battery which will make it more better for the smart waistband. Then we start by cutting our carton to fit the top of our plastic bowl. So first thing we have to do is place the rubber on top of the cardboard paper. Then if you have a marker or any other thing to trace it, you do. So we trace it. Then also we add an extra end here so that there will be a little space at the back for us to add I call it the brain box. This extra space will make it more fitted for the brain box to sit. So we cut it out. Now we have cut out our cardboard to fit the top of our bowl or the bucket we are going to use for our smart waistband. We also have to cut the cardboard into two. Why? Because we want it to lift up and down. I'm going to use this because I don't have any ruler here, but if you have a ruler, it's advisable for you to use a ruler. So place it on top. Roll it. Yes. After rolling it, you cut. Now we are done cutting. Let's use the other side because it's not clear. This side. Cut out. sure it's very close. Swing it. Now after we've finished taping it, next thing we have to do is to connect our several tools we are going to use. So remember, we're making use of an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor. I'm using a chargeable battery, but if you have a normal battery, you can use it. And as we know, it's in here. I put it inside this closed cardboard so that to look more presentable for users. So next thing we have to do, we'll check our connection if it's working perfectly. So relax. If I have my hand in front of it, see that it changes. So that means we are good to go. Now we're done with the cutting and taping of our cover. You can see that it's movable up and down. So we have to add it on top of our bucket, the front of the smart wave bin, where the ultrasonic sensor will be fitted. So directly backward to the hole, we are going to add this end where the I call it the brain box, where the brain box will land. So this is it. Then we are going to tape. Remember, we are only going to tape the back of the waist thing. So I'm using a super glue. So now we see only this space is opening. So that's not all. We have to place the brain box on it. When you are done with the connection, next thing we are going to do is to add the brain box on it. Now the beat is stable. Next thing we have to do is adding our ultrasonic sensor in the front of the smart waistband. See that is fit. Then I also add 2 holes here so that it look more better. Pass it through. Bring it back. So now we've done fixing our ultrasonic sensor at the front of the smart waistband. Then if you wish to add switch to the waistband, I'm adding a switch right here. But if you don't want to add a switch, you can just connect both black wires together of the battery cap. So what I'm going to do now is to cut the black wire of the battery cap. So I'm going to connect it to the switch. Here's the switch. Tying the wires together. Gonna tape it. other wire. Notice the light on the board of the auxiliary is on. Let's see. And take it again. Now we're done with that. I'm going to glue it on the cardboard. That will be stable. Now we're done with that. So now we're done with the battery. You see the light is on. This is switch right there. If I off it, the light goes off. If I on it, the light goes on. That means our switch was well connected. Then so we're going to off it. Then next our servo motor. I'm going to add our servo motor to the top of the smart waveplate. we're going to add a hole on the other side of the carbon paper so that we're able to lift it up. We are done making our smart waist bin. Everything is set. We have added copper wire to the other side. You can see it to make it lift up and down. So what we are going to do now is to test our smart waist bin.